Institutions are the future of crypto trading, and we're proud to have created the most comprehensive digital asset OEMS on the market. Today, you'll learn about Mainblock's institutional-grade crypto trading platform built by our team of experienced Wall Street and blockchain veterans, how it works, and the smart order router and algorithms that seamlessly execute trades across all of your desired venues. Welcome back to Institutional Crypto Trading, the crypto trading channel for hedge funds, high volume, high frequency crypto traders. I'm Ryan, CEO of Mainblock and your host. Let's get into what we do at Mainblock, how our platform works, and the features that you can use to trade smarter. Mainblock is an institutional grade OEMS designed specifically for crypto that allows you to connect once and trade everywhere. Our flexible and modular platform enables investors to seamlessly, efficiently, and intelligently trade cryptocurrencies across more than 30 exchanges, offering liquidity via our smart order router and best execution via our suite of trading algorithms. The Mainblock high-performance trade execution infrastructure can be standalone, or it can seamlessly integrate into your existing trading flows. The Mainblock platform and technology is designed and built by quantitative traders with decades of experience on Wall Street and in blockchain. Let's meet them. Peter Bordis, chairman and co-founder, is the managing partner of Trajectory Capital and has more than 30 years of experience in capital markets. Mark DeVoe, our CTO and co-founder, has over 30 years of experience and has worked on the development teams and quantitative trading desks of TradingScreen, Aristar Capital, the Toronto Stock Exchange, and Morgan Stanley, just to name a few. Our COO, Clay Cowdery, has over 30 years of experience working on financial systems for many of the world's top banks. And of course, Patrick Egan, our head of BD, formerly the CRO of NASDAQ, and he comes with more than 2 decades of experience in sales and relationship management with key clients. Patrick has also worked with Mark DeVoe at TradingScreen. With our combined experience, you'll see that we've created a trading solution that integrates seamlessly into your existing trading infrastructure, whether you use our front end or integrate Mainblock into yours. We offer connections via WebSocket, REST, and fixed gateways. With Mainblock, connect once, trade everywhere, and tap into the largest pools of liquidity on the market. If you're not utilizing a tool like Mainblock, standard trading within independent venues and exchanges is incredibly inefficient. You're probably used to doing almost everything on your own, assessing risk, creating strategies for each exchange, and tending to the constant task of monitoring different interfaces. Essentially, our team took the advanced tools that institutions were already using in traditional markets, and we made them accessible in crypto. When it comes to our technology, let's first dive into smart order routing and then our additional algorithmic capabilities. Mainblock offers instant liquidity across more than 30 venues, offering over 4,000 currency pairs, including over 1,000 base pairs. You'll have access to real-time streaming of order books, user balances, and open orders, as well as direct connections to the most desirable trading destinations. Since crypto trading happens 24/7 and different exchanges are offering different prices across all digital assets, our smart order router finds the best price across all exchanges and executes orders distributed among the most optimal venues. With Mainblock, you'll always execute at the best price for every trade. One of our next videos is a full demo of our platform, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. You probably already know this, but all trading algorithms are not created equal. Like I mentioned before, our team has decades of experience creating algorithmic trading strategies and writing algorithms for hedge funds on Wall Street. With this experience, our 14 crypto algorithms allow you to execute stealth trades without giving away your position, find trades at the best price, and time trades that automatically execute based on your strategies. Within our platform, you can execute basket trades, TWAP, VWAP, PEG, Iceberg, Pairs Trade, IWAP, and ISR. Basket trades allow you to execute multiple trades of multiple coins simultaneously over a period of time using TWAP or other time-based strategies. And then of course, you're familiar with TWAP, or time-weighted average price trades. VWAP, or volume-weighted average price, will allow you to trade evenly based on trading volume. PEG allows you to follow the midpoint and execute plus or minus a specific percentage away from that midpoint. Our Iceberg algo executes orders in random slice sizes over a period of time over multiple exchanges, so you can minimize the market impact when buying or selling. When it comes to pairs trades, you can execute 2 trades of individual coins while maintaining balance between the long and short sides of the trade. Our IWAP, or Information Weighted Average Price algo, is a custom main block offering that trades in windows of fixed notional while varying the duration. Lastly, our custom ISR, or Implementation Shortfall Reducer algo, reduces slippage and balances the market impact by controlling the rate of execution. Which of these algorithms are you most interested in? Let us know in the comments. We'll also dive deeper into each of the algorithms and how to use them in the main block platform in future videos, so subscribe now so you don't miss them. And speaking of algorithms, give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm. We're really proud of what we built, and we know it's going to transform the way you're trading crypto. If you're ready to connect once and trade everywhere with MainBlock, head over to mainblock.io and book a demo with our team. We'll show you how easy it is for your firm to get connected and start trading using the best trading technology on the market. If you have any questions or have topics you want us to cover on this channel, comment below. MainBlock is proud to be part of the Fernhill family, and together we are dedicated to optimizing and automating crypto. Thanks so much for watching, and see you in our next video.